Hi, Larissa here from Baselane's customer success team. Today, I'm going to give you an overview of Baselane's powerful bookkeeping, analytics, and reporting tools designed to streamline your real estate finances. So let's begin. Once you've created a Baselane account, the first thing we recommend doing is connecting your external bank accounts or credit cards to Baselane's portal. Now, we use Plaid, our secured third party partner that has relationships with thousands of institutions. So you could connect your bank account and have up to 24 months of transactions imported into our platform. This is great to just keep up with the existing bookkeeping, past bookkeeping, even future. So you'll be able to find your institution here, follow these steps to connect. Now, once your bank account is connected, it'll be displayed here with your available balance and the status. And then just head over to transactions and you can also filter by account. So if I've connected those external bank accounts, I can also just focus on those transactions. So you'll notice each transaction that comes in, you'll be able to categorize it. Our categorization is based off of Schedule E, what we fill out for rental income. You'll be able to also decide, is it mortgage payments? Is it cleaning and maintenance? You can click on these arrows and you'll be able to also include subcategorization, which is great since it's not necessarily maybe cleaning and maintenance, maybe it's gardening and landscaping. You can also tag it to your property. You can leave notes. You can split transactions. So in this case, if this is for a mortgage, you can be very specific and you can say interest, mortgage interest payments. You can also say mortgage principal, tag it to the property and such. Additionally, you can include receipts. I'm on the go a lot. If I'm purchasing something for my property, I can log into Baselane, take a picture of that receipt and tag it to that transaction or include it. Now, as you start to get the flow and start tagging and categorizing, head over to the analytics and reporting, and you're also going to be able to see your property's performance. Now, this is just for the last 6 months for all properties, but I can also filter individual properties. I can choose by preset reports like NOI for P&L, Schedule E for tax purposes. What's nice about this is if I select Schedule E, we do have a cash flow statement you can download, as well as a tax package. The tax package is going to include that Schedule E report, all your transactions and attachments. This is great for any CPA out there who needs to track, who's completing your taxes for you. This is a great package to hand over to them. Now, additionally, what I love about the cash flow analytics is I can also just do a breakdown by category. So I can really go in and see, what's going on with each property and decide, what are the operating expenses and really double check the work. So if I could say, oh, we have $1,600 in repairs, what does that look like? So it does also let you know which transactions that you tagged. Now, as I kind of showed you the benefits of connecting an external account, there's also some great benefits connect to opening a Baselane banking account. Now, Baselane Banking is really great because it's built for real estate investors. And some of those benefits is that we have integrated bookkeeping within our banking. So once you have a Baselane bank account, you can also go in and tag your property to your bank account. So you're essentially cutting your bookkeeping in half. All those transactions that come in from this account, as an example, is already associated to that property. So you're really only focused on the category. Separately, we also have virtual debit cards. I personally love this because, if you have reoccurring transactions, our virtual debit cards allows you to create cards for utilities, supplies, housekeeping, cleaning fees. Just click add virtual card. You'll choose which bank account's going to fund this card. Give it a card name, a spending limit, daily or monthly. And my personal favorite is that you can tag it to not just a property, but also to an expense category. So once you've created this card, you'll have a 16-digit card number with the Visa logo. You can add those to your digital wallets like Apple Pay, Google Pay. You can give this to your real estate team. And you also have the control to lock the card or terminate the card. So this is a really great way to kind of automate those reoccurring transactions by creating virtual debit cards and providing rule-based tagging to a property, a category, or one or the other. And of course, lastly, like I said, Our banking is designed for real estate, so we've also included bookkeeping within transfers and payments. So if you choose to, send money to a vendor, we're always going to ask you, who are you paying? Whether it's ACH, wire, check. You can tell us the amount. You can choose which bank account that will be coming from, if it's a one-time or reoccurring payment. And then the best part is you can categorize it and assign it to the property. So even though you haven't sent out the funds or you haven't finished transacting, what's best about this is you don't have to worry about this transfer, because once it's completed, it's already going to be categorized to the property and to the expense category for you, because you're doing the bookkeeping as you're transacting. So again, I really hope that this overview gets you excited to use Baseline's bookkeeping tool and to take a look at our analytics and reporting. It really starts with creating a Baseline account and connecting that external account to Baseline to import up to 24 months of transactions based on your banking institution, and of course, opening a Baseline bank account because it's built for real estate investors. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Thanks so much.